Alright everyone, so for the last toilet roll project that we're going to do in this video, we're going to make flower pots.
Flower pots?
Isn't that so exciting, Sis?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we're going to need 2 toilet rolls. Let's start with that. We're going to cut these in half. I'm going to give you one to cut, and Cece. And I'm going to cut one, okay? Cece, you cut yours in half, and I'm going to cut mine in half.
How will I cut it?
Same here, like this. So these are going to be our planters. For this project, we're going to need a box. It could be a square box, a rectangle, it doesn't really matter. But it's something to lay down the toilet rolls in so they will stay upright. So what we're going to do, Cece, is we're going to need to just cut out this top part, okay? You're going to help me with that?
Yeah, but how?
So we're going to need to cut this part out. So now to keep this together, we're going to use the stapler. Staple it together like this.
Can I come off?
Yeah, sure. I'm showing them how to do it. Staple the sides like this. And now, perfect.
Done.
So Cece's going to take the next job, and what she's going to do is she's going to cover this so it's really pretty. She's going to cover it with a color paper. Yep, put it right on the edge. Perfect, Celine. Look, we're going to line it with the same corners. Perfect. And we can just put them in. Perfect, Celine. Great job.
Thank you, Mommy. You're doing a good job too.
Oh, thanks, Celine. That's perfect. Alright, so now we've covered it up, and this is going to be like our pot for the flowers.
Yeah.
Way they'll all, they'll make sure that they all, right, and let's just put a little bit of glue on here.
Why?
So that they'll stick to the sides. Okay, now I'm going to give you the next one after I put some glue on it. Stick it that way. Yeah. See?
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, because we're going to push them all together inside. Yeah, stuck together inside. It's going to be absolutely perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of Play-Doh in here. But it's really up to you. You can put sand in here to have these hold up. Because we're going to put these stems in it.
Or what you want, because it's yours.
We're going to start with the yellow center for the flowers. I got something round to draw around. Yes, you see? Do you want to do the honors?
Yeah.
Okay, great. And again, if you don't want to cut it 3 times, it's okay, it's good, it's perfect. If you don't want to cut it out
like
4 times, you can just fold it. But it's going to be harder to cut because it's going to be a bit thick. We've got 4 centers for our flowers. No, we're not doing circles now. We're making the petals.
petals.
So, okay.
We're doing semicircles now, right, Mom?
More of an oval shape, like this. I was thinking we'll cut it like this.
Not like that. There's that. There's this one B too.
So we're going to be cutting out a lot of petals.
Like 15 or like 20 or...
And it doesn't matter if they're not all the same size because we're going to be making different flowers. Okay, let's make the first flower. So what we're going to do is we're going to try
Hey, no, the first flower
to lay it out like this. Just lay it out like me, Cece, look. You need 4 pieces.
No more than this 4, like that much.
You can do whatever you want.
4, 5. 4, 5. So, Mommy, I waste all the pink ones.
That's fine, but look, make them like this so they're overlapping. And then so that when you put the yellow piece on top, look. You see? Make that. I'm actually not going to glue because it's just going to be taking forever to wait. I'm just going to be stapling these on. So I'm going to start with the first one.
Oh.
And so this is the first flower. Come on, here's the stapler. Do it one at a time. In.
Be careful for your hands, Mom.
Yeah, put it staple. Good job. Next one.
I'm good at doing staples.
It's okay to use staples on these flowers because we're using pom-poms to stick them on, and so this way you can't really see any of the staples, can you?
Oh.
You do yours? Let me just stick that pom-pom on. And look at that, you can't see the staples anymore. So we have been busy, and what have we done, Cece?
We made some more flowers.
And?
Leaves.
And we've got these popsicle sticks, green popsicle sticks.
Like for ice cream pops.
Yes.
So
but we're going to use them as the
stems.
So what we're going to do is we're going to stick a leaf on each flower. Can you do that, Cis? Just like that.
But what? Oh.
Just make sure it sticks really hard. Yeah.
Ow!
So we're back again. We've waited for the flowers to dry after we stuck on the leaves and the petals. Alright, so now we're going to stick them into the flower pot. So we're just going to push them right in like this. And if they're hard to stick in, you just need to use more Play-Doh or more clay or more sand. Alright, stick them right in like this, you see? Just push it in.
But the Play-Doh.
Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. And just try to put the small ones.
And now we're going to draw the grass. You don't have to cut all the time. You just have to fold.
Okay. And you know what we're going to do, Cece?
We're going to draw grass.
We're going to draw a zigzag. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then Celine's just going to cut it.
And now we're done.
Alright. So as you see, Celine has cut out the grass. We've got 2 pieces of grass. What we're going to do
look.
Try to stick it. We're just going to try to stick it in like this. And stick it in just the same way.
There we go. There's a flower pot.
Do you like the flower pot, Celine?
Yeah!
Yeah?
Fantastic.
Well, we hope you like it as well and you make your own. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.